Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Ever since I've been making videos on here, I wanted to back up all the stuff, but never had to do that because my hard drive never filled up. But the thing to push me finally over the edge is Twitch streaming. Really found a nice community on there with Path of Exile, PoE, but this recent video I just downloaded is 15 gigabytes and my local free space is only 16 gigabytes because the streams are starting to get pretty long. This was the most recent one at 6 hours. Let's do some research on storage. Okay, seems like the most common option is just to use an external hard drive. I know some fancy people will use a NAS, network attached storage, cloud storage, but we are a budget-friendly family. This quick Google AI pops up Western digital products. Good news is the Micro Center near me has some things we can check out. Let's go shopping. We are back from my favorite place. I love Micro Center. They're so nice there and the prices are pretty good, or they will price match. Tyler said to get this Toshiba. It's a little bit better than the Western Digital Passport, a little less expensive, save a few dollars. Let's bring these in to unbox. And he was also saying they're a little bit more reliable. Let's check them out. That was pretty easy plug and play. Everything seems to be working. The reason why I went with two is if for some reason YouTube decides to delete all of my stuff, this one at home blows up, I will have a backup at work. I think it's also pretty common to do a third cloud-based digital storage. I haven't really looked into that. Last I checked, I think it's kind of expensive, so maybe we will do that for a future video. I also went with 2 terabytes because I started the YouTube back in 2021, I think, maybe 2022. And so far, all of the content I have created is about 500 gigabytes. So it should take another 15 years before I fill up one of these. So I thought 2 terabytes were enough and just didn't see any reason to spend more money on a larger storage device. But for now, video 353 done.